Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Chari para kumuha ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Aqua at ang mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung anong mensahe yung ating pong makukuha pagdating po sa kung meron pong lihim o sekreto na gusto po natin malaman. Again, we have the Chaser and Heartbroken. Okay, so in Chaser po dito, Aqua is somebody na may fear of abandonment, chasing, codependency. Ito yung sa Tagalog sinasabi natin humahabol o habol ng habol. Bakit ka humahabol? Kasi may takot ka na mag-isa. Natatakot kang iwanan na nag-iisa. Natatakot ka na yung wala ka ng tipong makapitan o yung nakadepende ka kasi sa iyong person ng sobra-sobra na parang pag nawala siya, hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin. Ganun yung Chaser. Okay? Now, dito ang sinasabi is heartbroken. Heartbroken is, di ba yung nagkaroon ka ng parang sakit sa damdamin? Deeply hurt, no? Deeply hurt and sad. Siyempre, malungkot, no? Masakit ito Feeling lost, na talagang hindi mo na alam yung nararamdaman. Grieving and despair, yung parang tipong nagluluksa ka, no? And break up dahil nagkahiwalay nga kayo, no? So, kung bakit ka naghahabol is because ito yung mga naramdaman mo, no? Kasi nga nagkahiwalay kayo, o umalis siya, o bigla na lang siyang sabihin natin na merong nangyari kaya naisip niyang umalis na lang. Kaya ikaw naman, kung gaba hindi ka handa para dito, kaya gumagawa ka ng paraan para magkasundo kayo o habulin siya na maging kayo pa rin. Okay? In other words, ma-amend o ma-repair yung relationship. Tignan natin sa tarot. We have the Two of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Six of Cups. Bottom niya is the Eight of Swords. Okay, Aqua. So, yung Eight of Swords dito, ang ibig sabihin is something na yung enerhiya na pakiramdam mo ikaw ay nakagapos o tipong committed ka na hindi ka na basta makaalis-alis sa relationship na to, na parang wala na tie up na ako sa kanya. Ganon, no? Na you cannot see your way out. In other words, na you felt that you are parang tied up, no? Nakatali ka sa kanya. If you are married to this person, definitely you'll be feeling that way. Pero kung hindi pa naman, it's just you and a person in a relationship, may pag-asa pa na makita mo yung daan na yun, na hindi pala ako totally nakatali sa'yo. Okay? Now, with the Five of Wands, ito yung, kasi nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, no? There is this misunderstanding, or maybe baka nagkaroon ng, in a way, third party, o merong competition within the relationship, kaya hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, no? There was something that causes that disagreement, and the disagreement affected, of course, the relationship. Sabi ko nga, di ba, if you are married, kasi ito yung Hierophant, no? Yung Hierophant po kasi is the energy na nagsasabi na you are married or in a relationship. Okay? This affected the relationship kasi nga because of this conflict, yung kaguluhan o misunderstanding, or there might be a competition in a way na there might be a third party involved. Okay? Kaya yun yung naging cause nung ano na to, parang dispute or kaguluhan, or something that would give the reason for your person, or you, take it as it resonates, Aqua, to leave the relationship. Now, Two of Wands. Ito yung enerhiya na you're trying to make that decision, what to do next. Ano yung gagawin natin susunod? O anong gagawin ko sa susunod? Kasi ito yung sinasabi ko na you're trying to see which direction to take. Ito bang maliwanag na part o itong madilim na part? No, iniisip mo. You are making that very important decision, what to do. Okay? Kasi syempre hindi madali ito na nangyari sa inyo, no? Kasi nga it causes heartbreak, so much pain, no? Are you thinking of what? Na habulin itong tao na to? Ganun ba yon? Page of Wands. This is a message, no? That you will be receiving, something that is very passionate about. O sabihin natin na simpleng mensahe ng siguro pagbabate, or something na ikaliligaya mo, kasi normally Wands would make you something very happy that you receive this information, and it would come from somebody from the past, yung nakaraan mo, na a person na hindi mo ina-expect na babalik, kasi this is really somebody na nagbabalik sa'yo. Okay? Now, itong nagbabalik na tong tao sa'yo is na pwede siya nung somebody na from your childhood, nung bata ka pa, o nung kabataan mo, panahon nung college days, o somebody from your past lifetime. Okay, yung past lifetime is yung naging buhay mo nung time na sa isang buhay, okay? Kasi we are being reincarnated, no, to go back to this life to do or to finish whatever we didn't finish no, sa previous life natin, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo, we have this life of cycle, no? Cycle of life na tinatawag. Now, we are born, and then of course the ending of that is we die. And then once we die, we are reborn again to fulfill kung ano man yung hindi mo nagawa nung dati mong buhay. So that could be part of this. Normally, ganun din yung person mo, no? Bumabalik siya kasi may gusto siyang tapusin sa relationship nyo. Especially kung hindi nga kayo naging maayos noon, baka ngayon gusto niyang maayos na itong relationship. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano pa? We have the Two of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles dito, Aqua, is you are trying to make that decision again, no? Parang pinipili mo, wini-weigh mo, tinitimbang mo maigi kung alin yung mas may halaga para sa'yo. Ano mas importante? Ano yung ipaprioritize ko? Diba? Magkasunod sila. So, again, this is 2 and 2. No? Pareho silang 2.
So it is really telling you na, come on, make up your mind, because what you're trying to do is to weigh things muna. Bago ka makapaggawa ng desisyon, you need to see, you need to weigh things, kung ano yung mas importante. That would help you to make the decision. And the Six of Pentacles is telling you na kailangan patas naman. Kailangan may equal give and take. 'Di ba? Hindi pwedeng ako lang na ako nag-give o yung person mo lang ang give ng give. Tapos somebody is taking, just taking and taking, 'di ba? Hindi yung tipong hindi pwedeng one-sided lang. Kailangan it has to work both ways. Kasi dalawa kayo dito sa relationship. So kailangan pareho kayo nagbibigay at pareho rin kayong tumatanggap. So this is what is telling us, no, itong energy na to. Which is maybe what you are trying to see, no, kung pagdating dito sa person from the past, na may give and take kami, no. We might have this beautiful relationship na, oo nga, itong tao na to, wala akong problema sa equal give and take dito. We really talagang, nag-jive kami pareho, no? Hindi kami yung tipong yung person na to, hindi to yung selfish, no? Hindi siya. Kasi kung gaba, naiintindihan niya na kailangan patas tayo pagdating sa paano pa ipakita yung pagmamahal na yon. We have the Queen of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. Okay, dito, Aqua, this is telling you na Queen of Cups is because there is love, no? May pagmamahal. The way you're trying to make this decision, no, trying to see kung saan ka dadaan, and you're trying to weigh things, kung ano mas importante, I think you will be giving more importance because there is love. Talagang bibigyan mo ng halaga yung iyong emosyon, yung pag-ibig, yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman mo dito sa tao na to. Again, of course, Aqua, yung cross-watcher natin, take this as it resonates, kung sino man yung nakaka-experience nito sa ngayon. Okay? Now, the Three of Cups. Magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation because of love. Because you made the decision to do this because you love the person. Kaya magkakasama kayo muli. Mag-aayusin nyo ito. You will fix this. You will do your best to do what is right. Kung ano yung tama. Ano ba yung tama? Yung nararamdaman mo. No? Yung nararamdaman mo sa tao na to. And because of that, you will receive your total happiness. Your total or having it all, no? What I'm trying to say is you're having it all kasi hindi ka lang maligaya, marami ka pang mafulfill na iyong dreams, no, with the Ten of Pentacles. This is yung depiction dito is kung gaba merong fireworks. Di ba ang fireworks is a sign of parang happiness, success, di ba? Prosperity. Di ba? Pag nag-aano tayo sa New Year, we all wanted that. Kaya yun yung parang simbolo ng fireworks. Kaya kung ano man yung pinapangarap mo sa iyong buhay, to have that right person in your life, to have a beautiful family, to have a house, a car, money, everything, hanggat pagtanda mo, hanggang nagkaroon ka na ng mga apo, no? hanggat yung to your last breath, na tipong till death to us part, sabi ko nga, is ito yun. No, you will have it all because you are doing this for love. No, ito yun. The last three cards is telling you na because of love that you will reconcile with this past person, no? Person from the past coming back, because you will have it all, no? With this person. Magiging masaya ka. Why? Kayo magiging masaya? Okay. This past person that know how to do yung give and take, equal give and take. That's why you will be very happy with this person. No? Yun yung sinasabi niya dito. Okay? Napakaganda. Napakaganda ako. The reading is so beautiful. Now, tignan natin ngayon kung ano yung meron sa future. We have the Two of Wands, the World, the Nine of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Knight of Swords. Okay, Aqua, ang sinasabi dito sa future natin is, yes, you are making that decision, no, with the Two of Wands, making that decision to have a new cycle of life with this person, no? Nag-iisip ka, no? Ito yon, iniisip mo, no? You're making a decision to have a new cycle, because the world is an ending, and it means starting a new beginning. Okay? A new cycle, panibagong pag-uumpisa dito sa tao na to. Okay? Or you wanted to have a new beginning, but it has to start with yourself. Being single first. Okay? You're making the decision to end a new cycle, to have, matapos na tong gulo na to, magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa, and you want to focus on yourself, no, Aqua? Be single and having it, no, being independent and having the capacity to, provide, mag-provide para sa'yo financially, sa iyong sarili. Na maging talagang ikaw, no? Yung pagtatrabaho mo talaga yung sarili mo. Nobody else, but just yourself. And this is how you see it, no? Maybe you've learned to love yourself more with this, what happened with your person. Kasi kung di ba yung dito sa chaser is parang talagang pinapakita mo na hindi mo binibigyan ng masyadong importansya yung damdamin mo kasi habol ka ng habol. But here, this is the kung ba parang telling you na hindi ganun mangyayari. Kasi ngayon, binaliktad mo yung pangyayari na you will be focusing on yourself, and you will be independent, and you will really stand up para patunayan na kaya mo on your own. And with this, no, you will be having this energy of the Fool na talagang sige lang, kung saan ako pupunta, I know I can make it. Now, I want you to see, ito na yon, no? This is the ending, and this is the beginning. Diba sabi ko kanina, this is an ending of a new, there will be an ending because there will be a new beginning. Ito yung new beginning. So sa tarot, this is 0, ito yung number 21. So sa cards ng Major Arcana, ito yung kahuli-hulihang card, ito yung umpisa ng card. So magkasunod sila. Okay? Pagkatapos nito, iikot ulit siya dito sa Fool. Kung ba, nauuna siya, and then marami pa, tapos nagkakatapos dito. Pero dahil nabaliktad yung sitwasyon, dahil meron na nga natapos, mag-uumpisa ka muli as a Fool. No, yung tipong kung saan kadali ng hangin, kung anong gagawin mo, no? Whatever you gonna decide to do, ito yon. Malakas yung loob mo, in other words. Nobody can stop you from pursuing whatever you wanted to do. Okay? Yung ba parang, ito nakikita kong gusto kong gawin eh. This is what I wanted for my life, for myself. So, go lang ako, go. And you will do it very fast. Tipong sabi ko, di ba, nobody will stop you. Mabilis kasi itong energy na to eh. With the Knight of Swords. Di ba, sugod, mga kapatid. Yung tipong ganun yung dating eh. Mabilis, no? See the movement of the horse. No? Alam mong lumilipad siya sa pagtakbo. And that is what you're gonna do. Nobody can stop you from doing what you wanted to happen to your life. Okay? Whatever this decision is or was or gonna be, yun. And I think it has something to do with this, with the Ten of Pentacles, the to have it all. Kasi this is the advice, no? This is the, kung ba parang yung mangyayari, what's gonna happen. And you are determined to fulfill that, to receive this blessing, to receive this energy. Okay? So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung advice sa'yo ni Archangel for Aqua. Ano yung advice natin for Aqua? All is well. Yeah, all is well. Archangel Jeremiel. Okay, Jeremiel. Everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. Oh my God, ang ganda, diba? Ako all is well, maayos, ayos na. Ba, maiintindihan mo pagdating ng tamang panahon na ayos talaga lahat. So, this is just telling you to believe, no? Maniwala ka. You pray and believe that Archangel Jeremiel is telling you. Okay? Tingnan mo siya. Kung gawa parang it's a wish come true. And I think it has something to do with this. You see? They're both purple. Yung significance, no? I mean, diba? Parang it's all over. It is telling you na okay lang. Kaya nga, kung ba, make that right decision. Again, growth. The same with what I got for Gemini. Growth is, I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Yes. This is all about growth, yung paglaki, pagiging masagana, magiging successful. Okay? So mag-focus ka dyan para mas lumago ka pa, mas maintindihan mo pa lahat ito. No? Kasi things will be happening very well for you. Okay? So, kung kanino mang Aqua, itong nakuha nating energy o enerhiya during na pagbabasa natin, sana po nakatulong ito ng malaki sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. At sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.